Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to build this DIY Cardboard Glock 19 Gen 3 with a custom MK27 Mod 1 style setup from scratch. Before we begin the tutorial, let me show you some of its features. It features a removable magazine, a functional trigger, a moving slide, a trick on or optic, and a tactical flashlight. Before we begin the tutorial, make sure to download the printable templates from the link in the video description. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Prepare templates number 1, 2, and 3. Step 2. Stack and glue the templates together. Step 3. Prepare templates number 4 and 5. Step 4. Attach them to the rear of the assembly, with template number 4 first, followed by number 5. Step 5. Prepare template number 6. Step 6. Glue it to the back of the assembly. Step 7. Repeat the same process to make an identical lower frame for the opposite side. Step 8. Prepare a cardboard strip with a width of 1.3 centimeters. Step 9. Glue the strip around the frame as shown in the video. Step 10. Attach the second side of the grip to close the frame. Step 11. Prepare template number 7. Step 12. Glue it to the front of the frame. Step 13. Prepare template number 8. Step 14. Prepare templates number 9 and 10. Step 15. Assemble and attach these parts as shown to form the front accessory rail of the Glock. Step 16. Prepare template number 11. Step 17. Glue it to the front of the frame. Step 18. Prepare template number 12 and a cardboard strip 1.1 centimeters wide. Step 19. Shape the strip into the trigger guard, then attach it to the Glock frame. Step 20. Prepare 2 copies of template number 13. Step 21. Attach them to the recessed area beneath the Glock grip. Step 22. Prepare template number 14. Step 23. Glue it to the lower right side of the frame to create the slide release area. Step 24. Sand all the areas highlighted in blue in the video. Step 25. Prepare a piece of corrugated cardboard. Step 26. Glue it to the back of the Glock grip. Step 27. Prepare several templates and cardboard pieces as shown in the video. Step 28. Assemble them as shown to build the slide rails. Step 29. Prepare template number 16. Step 30. Make a hole in the Glock frame, then insert a bamboo skewer to install the slide release. Step 31. Prepare the templates shown in the video. Step 32. Assemble them to complete the trigger mechanism. Insert a small spring inside the trigger so it can function as a trigger safety. Step 33. Make mounting holes and insert bamboo skewers to install the trigger onto the frame. Don't forget to install the return spring inside the frame so the trigger returns to its original position. Step 34. Prepare templates No. 16, 17, and 18. Step 35. Prepare several cardboard strips. Step 36. Prepare template number 19 and several cardboard pieces. Step 37. Assemble all of these parts as shown in the video. Templates number 16, 17, and 18 create the grip contour and recessed areas for the Glock markings. The cardboard strips form the 3 front grip finger grooves, while template No. 19 and the additional cardboard pieces create the magazine release button detail. Step 38. Prepare template number 20. Step 39. Glue it underneath the accessory rail. Step 40. Prepare the grip texture made from coarse sandpaper. Step 41. Glue the sandpaper onto the Glock grip. Step 42. Prepare templates number 21 and 22. Several cardboard strips, and one side of the slide. Step 43. Assemble these parts as shown in the video. Step 44. Glue a cardboard tube to the front of the slide. Step 45. Attach the other side of the slide to close the slide assembly. Step 46. Prepare several thin cardboard strips. Step 47. Glue the strips along the bottom of the slide to create the internal slide rails. Step 48. Prepare several small cardboard pieces. Step 49. Glue them inside the slide to create the slide stop and the hook that will hold the rubber band. Step 50. Prepare the Glock barrel. Attach a piece of thread from a used pen to the front of the barrel to simulate the threaded muzzle. Also prepare a small cardboard tube and several cardboard pieces. Step 51. Assemble all of these parts as shown in the video. Step 52. Prepare template number 23 and several cardboard pieces. Step 53. Attach them to the slide to create the ejection port detail. Step 54. Insert the barrel into the slide. Then attach a rubber band to the barrel and hook it onto the tab inside the slide. Step 55. Prepare template number 24. Step 56. Glue it to the rear of the slide. Step 57. Prepare the Glock iron sights. Step 58. Install the iron sights on top of the slide. Step 59. Sand all the areas highlighted in blue in the video. Step 60. Prepare the magazine templates. Step 61. Assemble the templates to create the magazine, as shown in the video. Trick on or MR. Step 62. Prepare template number 25 and a 5mm wide cardboard strip. Step 63. Glue the parts together as shown in the video. Step 64. Prepare templates No. 26 and 27. Step 65. Glue them together as shown in the video. Step 66. Prepare the left and right decorative panels for the optic. Step 67. Glue the panels onto both sides of the optic. Step 68. Prepare several cardboard pieces with the dimensions shown in the video. Step 69. Glue the cardboard pieces to the bottom of the optic. Step 70. Insert a bamboo skewer into the bottom of the optic. Step 71. Make a mounting hole on top of the slide. Step 72. Install the optic by inserting the bamboo skewer into the mounting hole on the slide. Step 73. Prepare template number 28 and a 3.3 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 74. Prepare template number 29. Step 75. Glue the parts together as shown in the video. Step 76. Prepare several cardboard strips. Step 77. Glue the strips inside the flashlight body to create the internal rails. Step 78. Prepare template number 30 and a 1 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 79. Assemble the parts and attach them to the front of the flashlight. Step 80. Prepare the templates shown in the video. Step 81. Assemble all the parts and attach them to the rear of the flashlight. Step 82. Prepare templates No. 33 and 34, along with a 2.5 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 83. Glue the assembled parts to the front of the flashlight. Step 84. Install the electronic components, such as the LED, switch, and the remaining internal parts. Step 85. Prepare a pen cap, a cardboard tube, and several paper strips. Step 86. Assemble all the prepared parts as shown in the video. Step 87. Prepare a 12 cm long cardboard tube, along with templates number 35 and number 36. Step 88. Attach templates number 35 and number 36 to each end of the cardboard tube to seal both ends. Step 89. Attach the threaded muzzle piece that you made earlier to the back of template number 35.